Hey traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Karthik here. Let us see the pre-market analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty and some other stocks and what are the logic behind our analysis. I'm sorry for not posting any videos in the last week, but I have been updating a pre-market analysis of my Telegram channel, and the Telegram channel description has been given in the link below. Let us start with the Nifty 50. It is in the 15 minutes time frame. Let us change to 1 day time frame. In 1 day time frame, we could see that it has formed a doji. A doji is nothing but representing the opening and the closing price is almost same. Yes, the market opened at the price range of 15,856 and made a high of 15,899 and made a low of 15,768 and closed around the price range of 15,856. That is just 0.75 points higher from the opening price. So the market closed near to the opening price. Let me change to the 15 minutes time frame. So it is already nearby the resistance area, and the market was keeping some fall over the resistance area. How would we take the trade for tomorrow on Monday? We could only go for a buy when the market opens flat nearby the price range of 15,890 to 15,900, which means the market opens gap up. If the market opens gap up and close with a bullish candle around the price range of 15,890 to 900, you could keep that candle lower stop loss and go for a buy and keeping the target of 15,950, which is nothing but the previous high. And if the market opens flat or little gap down around the price range of 15,840 to the price range of 15,830 and closes with a bearish candle, or else even when the market opens nearby the yesterday's last trading's closing session, which is around 15,840, we could go for a sell because there will be a minimum stop loss. So in order to the market have to move further on the bullish side, it has to move above 15,900. Only go for a buy when the market moves above 15,900. So this is for Nifty 50. Now let us look at Nifty Bank. So in the Nifty Bank reached nearby the support area and started moving up. In 1 day time frame, we could see that it is a very good bullish candle nearby the support area. So if the market opens nearby the closing area, which is around 35,050 to 35,100. If the market opens flat around this region and close with a bullish candle above 35,080, we could go for a buy, keeping that candle lower stop loss, and your target might be around 35,300. So once the market of Nifty Bank moves higher, even Nifty will also move higher. So there is a higher probability of market to be moving high on upcoming Monday trading session if there was no negative news. In order to go for a sell, we have to go sell below 34,800. 34,800. You could go for a sell below 34,800 and your target will be 34,600. So this is for Nifty Bank. Now let us look into the stocks. The first stock is Infosys. So the Infosys is already nearby the resistance area, and you could see that it has formed a kind of triple top kind of pattern. So once when the market breaks below 15,586, you could go for a sell. And your target might be 15,575. And if the market crosses above 1,600, that will be a much safer entry for a buy, because you could see there it is already acting as a resistance area, and the market has break the resistance and again started falling. So in order to go for a buy, the market has definitely moved above 1,600, and your target will be a fresh target which is around 1,604 and 1,610. In order for selling, your target will be directly 1,573, 1,575. This is for Infosys. Next stock is Nestle India. In order Nestle India, you have to make a buy even the market opens flat or little gap up around the price range of 18,180 to 18,200 and close with a bullish candle. You could go for a buy, and your first target will be 18,400 and second target will be 18,550. If the market crosses below the previous trading session's low, which is 18,026, so below this candle you could go for a sell and your target will be 17,800. The next stock is Grasim. So in Grasim, it is already near with the support area. If the market opens flat around the price range of 1550 to 1552, yeah, sorry, yeah, 1500, let us consider this 1548, okay, 1548 to 1552. If the market opens around this price region and makes a bullish candle, you could go for a buy, that keeping that candle lower stop loss, and your target will be 1570. If the market crosses below 1540, you could go for a sell and your target will be 1530. Next stock is HDFC Life. So after long down rally, the HDFC Life is returned from the support and it is kind of forming a wedge pattern, and you could also draw this pattern on your chart. When the market breaks this, you could also see that the market is around this region. See, so this region will be acting as a resistance, and breaking above this will be good entry for buy, and your first target will be 673 and second target will be 680. If the market closes below, if the HDFC Life candle closes below 662, you would go for a sell and your target will be 658 on the selling side. On the last Friday trading session, the FII sold for 163 and DII has bought a huge amount of around 2187. So the market closed on the bullish side on the Bank Nifty. You could see that. So this is all about the pre-market analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty and some stocks. Hope you have liked the video. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a happy trading. Thank you.